Good morning. We're hanging out in our laundry room. I just kind of moved stuff around and revamped it a little bit because we have like a lot of windows in this room. I don't know if you can tell. It's all surrounded, minus that ugly overhang, which eventually we'll get rid of. But it's good to just look outside. I love rain. It's so calming. So it's probably gonna be a chill day today. Me and Louie hanging out. This little guy, he does not sleep well when there's rain and thunderstorm. He was up all night. No sleeping for you today, buddy. But yeah, we're just gonna hang out. I'm about to go get my cup of coffee. And maybe I'll chill in this room and edit the vlog from yesterday. Alright. First things first, I gotta drink my water. And yesterday I was so behind. So today I just need to down it before I can eat or drink anything else. Okay, so let's just down this. God, it's hard. I just timed myself. It took me 29 seconds to down this water.
Let me try.
No,
How much?
dude.
How much? How much?
You could do it in like 15.
How much? The whole glass?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, water
He's
poisoning.
always trying to copy and outdo me. Like, can you really do something else on your own? And it's filled to the top. That's not filled to the top.
You gonna show me?
Yes,
Okay.
I can show you.
You do it. Show me which one high to the top.
It's just
You give me.
almost.
I
to
don't
the
wanna.
top.
I don't wanna go. Yeah, there you go.
It was to here.
Alright, how many seconds you did it in?
About 28,
Well,
29
to be fair, I'm not gonna look at the time. You're gonna look, okay? And you tell
Okay.
me go.
Go. This dude can do it in like 10 seconds. Yeah, he literally did it in like 10 seconds.
That's not easy though. Oh my god. Water poison mode. But that's healthy. Good job.
So today is, I don't think there's a theme. I'm in between. I want to make spicy rigatoni. I'm craving pasta or like spaghetti meatball. That sounds good too. But I also put chicken out. So a couple days ago, Vin, which is my sister-in-law, she made this chicken recipe that she posted on Facebook. It's gasam muyak or something like that, and I put chicken drumsticks out. So I might make that today. Well, marinate it and either make it today or tonight or tomorrow morning. Yeah, I'm excited. It looks so good. I mean, what could go wrong with salt, a lot of chili, a little bit of lemongrass, some garlic, and roast? I mean, it's a no-brainer. So you're having leftover chicken pho for lunch. Yes, very yummy. It's perfect for this rainy day. All right, on a new day of organization, this drawer holds all like our utensils, our cooking supplies, utensils, and it's just gotten to be crazy. So we need to declutter this. Can you see? Yeah. All right. Let's do this. Take everything out. As you can see, I'm crazy. So before we moved into the house, I had bought these plastic liners and I lined almost every single cabinet that we have with these liners. So every single one has liners. So it doesn't go underneath the actual wood part and stains it. So yeah.
Coffee time!
Let me see your coffee time dance. Blow away.
You made me do it.
Hey.
You
Oh,
made
he's
me
trying to
do
eat
it.
me! Look, it's on camera!
You ain't see nothing.
First of all, if he does eat you, you deserve it, because which one of you guys don't belong there?
I did this and he started biting me. I was trying to protect you.
I don't need protection. I'm on my bed.
You knew my fingers were itchy? You're helping me?
Just bite it off so it doesn't itch, Chloe. It's a coffee time!
It's a coffee time. It's a coffee time. It's a coffee time. It's a coffee time. It's a coffee time.
We're not gonna get any left food from me tonight. Don't look at me like that.
Look at that. Look at that feet work.
It's a hammer time. But instead it's coffee time.
So stupid.
Oh, that's sweet.
Like I ruined the moment.
Add a little sweet.
More diabetes. Ding, 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 ding.
This is the beast.
Whatever. I bought it. Whoa, that was a lot, bro.
Bro.
Look at this fool. He's eating on this couch. His feet's on there. The remote's not in place. What is that?
Life.
You know what's...
Don't you agree?
Let me see that belly. Breathe. He's still holding it. You're so fake. Okay. Guys, help me. I know it's not really a big deal, but it's a big deal to me because like I spend a lot of time here. Should I splurge and get the chair that I want? Like I've been dreaming about this chair. Or should I just like do a half price, but nah, I don't really like it chair. What do you think, Mickey?
But your viewer does
You're a viewer.
well, I will answer when I see the video.
Okay, and then also this table, my orchid is dying, so I have to like move it a little closer to the windows. Hopefully it revives itself. I'm gonna ask my dad. Dad, how do you fix a dying orchid? Because he's like the orchid expert. But yeah, I had all this stuff, all like my daily use stuff at this side of the table, and it's just, I don't know. It wasn't, I think the orchid had to move, so I feel like everything else had to move. But I'm not sure. Because now I have a harder time getting my pens. I know, first world problem. I'm bored, but, you know. Just trying to see what's the best situation. And do I want to move this thing, which is my makeup cart brush, over here, because when I sit and do my makeup, it can just be right there. Decisions. I still have to redo this cart. It looks so messy. Even though it's not messy, it's just not as pleasant looking. Not as pleasant as this little thing. Look who's hanging out in his corner of my room. Really cool. So, you guys know me and Mickey, we have a slight problem with Hermes. And we usually buy something when we travel different places. But we got these last year when we went to Waikiki. And they are so cute. They are hand-painted ashtrays. Did I say ashtray? Ashtray.
You said ashtray.
Okay. I was hoping I didn't say ashtray.
You said ashtray.
Okay, but yes, they come like this. I know there's they have like another couple different sets. I like the one that's plain, but Mickey likes horses. But yeah, I think we'll each keep one in our office. Mickey likes this blue one. I like it too, but this one doesn't match my room, but it matches stuff that I have in my room. So yeah, this is kind of cool. This kind of stuff that we like to collect as souvenirs. And I think it's cute because stuff, you know, this stuff you will really take care of for a long time because it's expensive. And then you can pass it on to your future children. Right, Mickey? Huh? So funny, but like I just realized Vivian outfit is inspired by Minions today.
They're also fans.
Yes. Banana.
Banana.
That's so funny. You know what Daniel calls Tina?
No.
He calls Tina banana in Vietnamese.
Why?
That's what he calls her. He gets carried up and down like a baby. Where we going, Mickey?
We're going to visit the prince.
Woo!
Wait.
We know you're coming.
Hello, come on.
Finally, stop raining. It's been raining all day. Mickey's been dying to go outside to his plants. Ew, look at that pot of water.
Look, there's a bug right here.
Ew, what is that?
I think it's a cicada.
How's the plants doing? At least we don't need to water it. Oh, my cilantro's getting really tall.
Oh, you gotta cut them.
I know.
The more you cut them, the more they grow.
And the dills, they're so...
Watch it when you step in, it's a big cutter.
Yep.
Oh my god, there's a lot of cutter here.
Yeah. They didn't do it right.
I know.
I want some sodas. I marinated this morning. This is the gasa moyak. Inspired by Vin's recipe, but altered a little bit because I don't have like whole chicken. We just had drumsticks or wings, and I figured drumsticks I can marinate the inside because I'll just dig a hole. So yes, they're stuffed with a lot of spice. They should be really spicy. So let's see how this goes. We were cooking dinner, and look, apparently we live in a natural habitat.
There's two of them.
There's two?
Yes. Freaking annoying deers.
Where are they?
Both of them right next to each other.
Oh yeah, you can see them. Can't really see them through this thing.
Freaking deer. Right here.
But
You
there's-
see them right there.
Yeah,
You
they're
see them right
moving.
now?
They're moving. Look, they're literally in our yard. And one time we were home and we almost let Louis out, and this whole area right here was filled with them. Like
Yep,
so
it was
many.
at least 12 of them. It was
Yeah.
so scary.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more on the other fence. Yeah, I just saw his body.
Oh, they go over.
Oh, yeah.
They go through this little.
Oh, look, they're
shit.
parading. Oh, it's because they see walkers.
Look how good they look. They don't look exactly like what Vin's chicken look like, or even YouTube people teach me, but I didn't have the Nuc Mao. I forgot what kind of Nuc Mao. That was something. So whatever.
Just want to say, this joint smells real good, fam.
I know, but it's gonna be hella spicy. Right. So our dinner tonight, our chicken, and then Mickey made the Korean barbecue. I don't want to commit to it right now.
Okay.
Right, tonight's dinner, a little romantic-ish, but yeah, let me try and see how this is. This is with muối and jan. That's it. It's for the chicken. Mickey's plates look better. Yeah. Keep forgetting when we're eating dinner to say goodnight lately, because you know, we get caught up. That's kind of the only time we really, really hang out all together. So, good night.
Bye.